In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Line app. So first of all, open the Line application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once the Line application has been opened, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you can see two options, login, sign up. Tap on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you'll be able to see two options over here, main device, sub device. If you're already logged into your Line account in other devices, you can tap on this option, sub device. If you want to log into this device as the main device, tap on this option, main device. After that, tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to log in with a QR code, or you can also log in with another method. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, log in with another method. Now you'll be able to see the login methods over here. You can log in with phone number, Apple or Google. Tap on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on this option, continue with Google. Now what you have to do is tap on this option, continue with Google again. Now simply select the Google account to continue. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option, login. Now you can see over here you'll easily be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Line app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.